Hi everyone, welcome to Merriness. I'm Ashma and I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'll be unboxing the Princess box for the month of November. They have two editions this time, the Royal Edition at 6,500 and the Luxury Edition at 4,500, and you can book them via Instagram, Facebook or WhatsApp, and the payment mode is Paytm or bank transfer. And if you are new on my channel, then please click the red color subscribe button. It is absolutely free for you all, along with the tiny bell icon next to it to receive updates of all my new videos. I'll be really delighted if you could be a part of my small Merriness family. So everything came packed like this, and once I opened it, I saw so much of bubble wrap. It really took me a lot of time to open this bubble wrap. It was very well packed, and inside it there is this beautiful box. It's a cardboard bag, and inside this also there is one more box. So I really liked the idea behind putting in so much of efforts in the packaging for the bridal edition. It looks really royal, and this is a closer look to the handle of this particular bag, and this is how it looks in the daylight. It's super gorgeous and a perfect gifting option. I mean, I really loved it. And before I show you all the products inside this particular box, I will show you all the Morphe eyeshadow palette which was outside. This is also in bubble wrapped, and there are two choices here. You can go for 35R1 or for the 3501 if you want. I went ahead with the 35R1. This is priced at rupees 3,500 for 56.2 grams of the product, and all the ingredients are also mentioned here on the packaging. So let us just open this and see how it looks like. So the palette is made of plastic, and there is more bubble wrap here. So again, there is a two-layered bubble wrap which protected the eyeshadow so that they don't break, and it's a very sleek body. I really liked it. It's not even heavy, so that's something I really liked. And this is a golden shade range of eyeshadows. There are 35 of them, and they look absolutely beautiful. They have come with this plastic sheet so that it's protected, and this is how they look in the daylight. They are super gorgeous. I mean, I really liked them. And if you are someone who don't want to go for the 35R or for the 35O, then you can go for the 35B one, but you will have to pay additional for this particular eyeshadow palette. Now let us see what is there inside this particular box. So this is how the quality is. It's pretty good and pretty sturdy, and the box also looks quite good. And here is everything from the box. So let me just open all the bubble wrap and I'll show you all the products. Just emptied everything, but this box is pretty good and sturdy, so you can store quite a few things inside it. Then moving on, the product which we have is from Tarte Cosmetics, and it's their Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. Now I really like the packaging, and this one is supposed to be that photogenic mascara. So once you apply this, you don't require false eyelashes. That's what I've heard about it, and I'm really looking forward to see how much of a difference it will give to my eyelashes. This is how the wand looks like. The bristle does not have a lot of product on it, and this is something which I really look forward to. Otherwise, a lot of product just gets wasted. And this is how the mascara in the daylight. A bridal edition है तो lipstick तो होगी ही. So this one is also come with this golden sequences, and again really nice of Priyanka to add this. So there are three options available from Pat McGrath, and I really like this orange red color one in the picture, so I thought maybe I should give this one a try this time, and I have selected the shade Obsessed. So this is how it looks. It's got this lips in the center. I really like the packaging, and that's how my lipstick looks like. It's a very different kind of feel to the texture of this lipstick. On appearance only you can make it out, and on the swatch also I felt it glided easily. It's very pigmented, and here is a second swatch. So it looks good, and it also has this powder finish kind of texture. This is how it looks in the daylight, and I really like this color. Next are these eyelashes from Glow Mere, and this one is priced at rupees 495. So the variant is Precious here, and it's cruelty free, it's fur free, And the funny part about false eyelashes is that I have never used them, not even during my marriage, because somehow I felt I never required them and a mascara did all the job. So now that I have got it and now that it is in trend, I might give this one a try, and I might share a picture with you all on Instagram someday once I decide to try. So this is how they look. Then the next product which I have is a sheet mask from Jejun Cosmetic, and I think this is also sent randomly. You might get this one or you might get the Pure Derm sheet mask. So I have got this rose blossom mask, and this is brighten your skin with rose water, nourishing, hydrating, 25 ml, and everything here is written in some other language. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, here it is mentioned in English. 10 to 20 minutes you can apply, and the ingredient list is also mentioned here, so you get a better idea of what is there inside. And I really like rose water, so I am looking forward to try this mask and see how it really works on my face. Now the next product is a pre-booking gift, and I was not expecting it at all. So I have received a Fenty Beauty Starstruck highlighter stick, and this is a 2.8 gram product, and this is priced at rupees 1300. I really like its packaging. It is so gorgeous. Look at it. So it's such an easy application. I mean, you just apply it on your face wherever you want to highlight, and that's it. It's like an on the go thing, and you can even carry it without any hustle of the highlighter breaking or anything. The color is also super gorgeous. It's like a very light pink with a silver finish, and that's how it looks in the daylight. I really loved it. And you might get this as a surprise, or you might get the high beam highlighter from Benefit. So let's move to the next product, and it's a jewelry which has come in this beautiful mesh bag. I really like collecting these mesh bags. I have so many of them. Okay, so this is the bracelet, and I think it's an American diamond bracelet, and the design is pretty good. I didn't select this one. I think this is randomly sent. I really like this, and it has this kind of closure which is really good, and it's there with most of the gold jewelries. I'm wearing it on my right hand because I have lipstick and highlighter on my left hand, and I hope I'm able to close this soon. Okay, so it took some time, so I finally managed to close it, and this is how it looks. Pretty good, pretty elegant, and this is something which I like to wear. It's like my kind of jewelry. And then we have some edibles. This one is from Nescafe Blend and Brew Original, but it doesn't look like from India. It's something different. Wait, let me see. Okay, so it was manufactured in Philippines. So I'm just hoping that the taste will be a little different, and I'm looking forward to try it out right now, immediately after the video. Next, we have some chocolates from Ferrero Rocher. Again, one of my favorite chocolates. I love the hazelnut. I think I have this chocolate for the hazelnut more. And this one is priced at 140, and it's a vegetarian product. So it's for everyone. Very thoughtful again, Priyanka, for adding something vegetarian which everybody can eat. So these are all the products this month from my Princess box, the bridal edition. And I really felt like the box was completely royal, right from their packaging to the products which were featured. All of them were like high end, and I really felt good about this month's box because there are so many things which I haven't tried before, and I'm getting to try this month. And I feel all the brands which are included this time, all of them are high end, and they have never ever come in any other subscription boxes in India. So I personally love this box and this month's curation. And if you are a bride to be, or if you have a lot of wedding functions to attend, or if you are a makeup junkie, or you love trying out different brands, and if you are interested in getting the royal box or the luxury box, then all the details about it will be mentioned in the description tab below. You can check it out. And apart from this, I do understand this box is on the higher end and it's a little expensive, but I feel that that you can always curate the box as per your budget if you are on a very tight budget, or if you want you can even buy individual products from Princess Box, because these are 100% original and authentic. And don't forget to mention that you are from Marinus channel, so that you can avail some offers and discounts from my end on the curated hampers and on individual products. So that's all for today's video. I really hope you like this video. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up and also mention in the comment section which products did you like the most in this month's Princess Box. So that's all for today. I'll see you all soon with a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.